Welcome, welcome to Double the Fun. Kia ora, hello, haere mai. Kei te be koe, we kei te pai. E noho tamariki, pull up a seat. Are you here? I'm here. We're all here. What a treat. Welcome, welcome to Double the Fun. Kia ora everyone, hello, you are with Nicole from Double the Fun. I am so excited that you are joining me today. Usually Amy from Double the Fun is here with me for circle time, but today she is at home with her little baby, so she'll join us next time. Let's say hello to our friends, to our friends, to our friends. Let's say hello to our friends. How are you today? How are you today? Kei te puhi a koe. You're feeling good? Oh, ka mau te wehi. Well done. That's really exciting. Let's sing our Days of the Week song. Are you ready? Okay. Days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. What is the day today? What is the day today? What is the day today? Today is Wednesday. That's right. Can you say today it is Wednesday? Ah, ka mau te wehi, well done. Now the days of the week in Te Reo Māori, toru wha. Rahina ratu, ra apa ra pare, ra miri ra horoi ra ta apu. Ko te aha tēnei rā. Ko te rā apa tēnei rā. Ka mau te wehi whānau. You are amazing. We have got a very special letter today. I wonder what our letter is today. Our letter is the letter T. Yes. And T makes a t, t sound. Can you make a t, t sound? In New Zealand we have a beautiful bird called a tui. And the tui has some white tufts at the front of its neck. And they're beautiful. So we're going to pretend that we are stroking our white tufts and that we are a tui bird. Can you stroke your white tufts like a tui bird? This is our action for the t sound. T, t, t. Well done. And the song goes like this. The tui in the tree with the t, t, tufts, t, t, tufts, t, t, tufts. The tui in the tree with the t, t, tufts, t, t, t. That's right. Do you think you can try singing along with me? Yay, let's go. Toru wha. The tui in the tree with the t, t, tufts, t, t, tufts, t, t, tufts. The tui in the tree with the t, t, tufts, t, t, t. Oh, well done. You are very clever. Ooh, let's roll the dice and see what number is our special number of the day. Our number was number 5. Yay! Can you show me 5 on your fingers? Well done. Let's count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count backwards from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. What number comes after 5? That means 1 more than 5. Number 6. That's right. 5, 6. You are very clever. What number is 1 less than 5? That means 5 take away 1. If I have 5 and I take 1 away, how many are left? 4. Well done, friends. Ka motiwi. You are amazing. Give yourself a big paki paki. Alright, it is now time to sing one of my favourite songs, and it is called Upsy Downtown. If you know it, sing along. If you don't know it yet, you can learn it. It's really fun. Toru fa. And upsy downtown, the sky is in the sea, the rabbit's in the nest where the bird should be. The rain is falling up instead of falling down. Down in upsy downtown, there's a chocolate cake as white as snow. The more you eat, the bigger it grows. You walk upon your nose instead of on your toes. Down in upsy downtown. You are so good at singing. Well done. I am very, very proud of you. You can practice that one, and the next time we sing it, you'll know exactly how to sing it. Hey, thank you so much for joining me today. I have had lots of fun. You are awesome. Can you say, I am awesome? Oh, well done. Can you say, I am amazing? Oh, excellent. Well done. Now it's time for our goodbye song. If you know it, sing along. Ka kite. Bye-bye. Ka kite, see you soon. It's time for us to zoom, zoom, zoom. Thanks for joining, double the fun. We hope you've had lots of fun, fun, fun. Bye-bye. See you next time. Ka kite.